You say you're ambitious. You talk about success. You dream of freedom. You swear you'll change your life. But when it's time to move, you freeze. You scroll. You plan. You call it burnout. But deep down, you know that's not true. You're not tired. You're terrified. Because ambition without action isn't ambition. It's fantasy. You want to be great, but you live like someone waiting for permission. You know exactly what needs to be done, yet you'd rather rewatch the same YouTube video about productivity than actually be productive. And every night, you feel that quiet guilt eating you alive. The guilt of knowing you could have been further by now. That's not laziness. That's self-betrayal. Here's the truth you don't want to hear. You're not lazy. You're addicted to comfort. Your brain has built an equation. Comfort now is greater than success later. Every time you avoid the hard thing, you reinforce the lie that safety equals happiness. You've trained yourself to chase easy dopamine instead of delayed reward. That's why even thinking about starting feels heavy. It's not because the task is impossible. It's because your mind fears losing comfort. But here's where 99% of people stay stuck. They wait to feel ready. They wait for motivation, clarity, or the perfect morning routine. You're not supposed to feel ready. You're supposed to move before you're ready. Motion creates energy, not the other way around. That's Newton's law, but it's also life. The hardest part isn't doing the work, it's starting. Once you move, you create momentum. And once you have momentum, you stop being lazy by accident. So stop overcomplicating it. Don't plan your comeback. Don't wait for Monday. Pick one thing, one task, and give it 2 minutes. Not perfection, not intensity, just movement. Because right now, your future self is watching you, wondering if you'll waste another day pretending to care. You don't need a new strategy. You need to stop lying to yourself. Laziness isn't your identity. It's a pattern, one you built through comfort and fear. And the moment you decide to break it, to take one small action despite the resistance, that's when ambition stops being fantasy and becomes reality. So don't tell me you're ambitious. Prove it. If you actually mean what you say, start now. Close this video, take 2 minutes, and do one real thing that moves your life forward. And if you're done lying to yourself, subscribe. Because this channel isn't for people who talk about change. It's for the ones who finally do it. No motivation, no excuses, just truth, discipline, and results. Now go and earn your ambition.